Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Listen, family, those stimulus checks are hitting the banks, and we all know that you have millions of millennials. They're jumping into the stock market. They will be increasing their positions in certain stocks, and one of the millennial stocks that stand out that I'll be placing some trades on today is Sundial, SNDL. It's a cannabis company, great company, a lot of cash on hand, debt free, a lot of potential there. But the millennials, man, they're not looking at that. They're looking at a low price stock with the potential to go up. All right, so um, SNDL is right for the picking at $1.70 right now, and possibly we may have more upside. Okay, more upside, and let's take a look at the technicals. All right, now when we take a look at this chart here, what I have is the 20-day moving average up, and I also have the MACD. All right, so we had this big, huge run up, and it spiked all the way up to $3.96. All right, then we had a huge sell off. All right, so we had a sell off and it began to come back down to the 125, 135 range where it began to trade sideways for a while. All right, so we had here, if you take a look at the oscillator below, we have the oscillator crossover going down, which is an indication that the momentum is leaving out of the stock. So we had momentum leaving out of the stock. And on February 26th, we can see that we began settling out and we began to having some momentum come into the stock. We had a couple of days where momentum went out of the stock. Then the last last 5 days, the momentum has been steadily increasing into the stock. And what happened yesterday, we had a high of 165, a low of 143, and a close at 162. So we did have a great day yesterday for SNDL. And when we take a look at the MACD here, we have the price oscillator approaching the crossover position, which is another strong indication that more momentum will be coming into the stock, and hopefully we'll get the crossover here, and we'll continue to trend up heavily. More momentum will come into the stock, and hopefully push this price up back to previous highs of 250 or $3 a share. All right, but again, today we're looking for another great green day, and this presents a great opportunity for us to play some trades, or we could possibly we could jump in and hold and ride this thing up. Once we figure out or find out the top, then we could dump and we can do this all over again. Okay, so as for traders, today represents a great opportunity for SNDL. All right, and something I love to do when it comes to jumping in these type of stocks. I know there's a lot of people that says, hey, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. They buy it and it dips more, they buy it and it dips more. Me, I like to ride the thing up. I like to ride waves up. All right, and once we cross above that 20-day moving average, this is a great indication, along with the MACD, that we are possibly trending upwards in a positive direction for the next several days. All right, again, we've had three positive days. Now we may have a green day today, and we may have some profit taken on. We may have some profit taken later on in the week. But again, my process is simple. I take a look at the momentum coming into the stock, and I take a look at the candles. All right, strong candle development, 3 bullish candles, another strong bullish candle, and I could say that we are going to have a few more up days ahead of us. All right, again, remember, there will be some profit taken eventually. You don't want to be buying this stock. You don't want to be buying this stock at the high, and then ultimately there's profit taken. Now you're down 10, 15%. All right, and you're stuck in the stock. All right, we want to ride the waves up and hopefully position ourselves to get some wins and then sell wait for it to come back down to the 20, and we repeat the cycle all over again. All right, now that's all I have for you today. SNDL is a buy for today. We're going to ride this wave. We're going to make some money, and we're going to profit greatly today from SNDL. Now, if this video added a little bit of value to you, hey, please take a moment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.